Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Transit custom front grille. First, gather your tools. You will need a set of trim removal tools and a Torx screwdriver. It is also a good idea to have some masking tape on hand to protect your vehicle's paint. Begin by opening the bonnet to access the top section of the grille. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer removal process. Now let's move on to the first physical step. You will find 5 Torx screws along the very top edge of the grille. Use your Torx screwdriver to carefully remove each of these fasteners. It is important to keep these screws safe, perhaps in a small container, as you will need them for reinstallation. Once these are out, the top of the grille will feel much looser. Next, we tackle the clips holding the grille in place. Use your largest trim removal tool and carefully insert it into the gap between the grille and the bumper. Begin to gently pry, releasing the clips one by one. There are many clips around the perimeter, so work your way around the top, then the sides, and finally the bottom. You might need to apply firm, steady pressure, as these clips can be quite tight. With all the clips released, the grille should now come away from the bumper with a careful pull. To reinstall, first align the new grille, making sure the bottom clips are correctly seated. Then, firmly press around the entire perimeter until all the clips click securely into place. Finish by reinserting and tightening the 5 Torx screws at the top. Your Ford Transit custom grille is now successfully removed and reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.